Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Fashionably Grateful, and today we're going to Michael Kors. We're going to check out the latest purses. Anything that I see in the store that is shoppable, I will definitely put in the shopping bag on the screen. Also, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you can see all the good deals that are coming out in the future. Guys, I'm struggling with the audio. I am fighting over the store music, so please bear with me. Hopefully you can hear me the whole time, but it is a struggle. Okay, right off the whip. This is for fall. These are cute. I like those. They're furry. I'm not into backpacks, but I definitely like the tote. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, almost. It's really cute. I think this one's probably my favorite. This is cute. Now, I am curious. I ain't even gonna hold you. I see these bags over here, and I like them. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, I definitely like these bags. This will match with what I got on. I wish we had a mirror somewhere, because I would definitely show you. You can't really see me over there. That's terrible. Can't see myself, but this is cute. I love that. It's almost like the little pterodactyl bag that they had at Coach. This is cute though. I wonder how much it is. I will definitely look it up for you. However, this is what I'm looking at. Like, what? This outfit, oh my goodness. Super cute. I mean, they got outfits all throughout the store that are adorable. These shoes are adorable. This bag is like a bucket bag. It's adorable. Even with the MK, I'll take it. However, I want it in this. What? I want it in that. That is beautiful. So pretty. I love that. And they got it in black too. The olive color, I mean, everybody's coming with the fall colors, and they like did not come to play. Tans, super cute. And then I mosey on over here to the burgundies and the olives over here. Super cute too. Yes. And this is giving a sling. I hope y'all can see the colors really well. It's kind of in the sun, so that's a little bit off. But yeah. Cute. But you know what? I ain't gonna hold you. I love Michael Kors. I love their bags that they have out here on display. But they be having some really cute finds in the actual, what's it called? In the clearance section. And these are some cute totes. Also, a couple different sizes. Really cute. Love it. I don't know how much I'll be able to get my audio because the music in the background is kind of loud. But yeah. These are cute too. These bright colors. I'm loving them. They're only $130 and $129. I mean $149 and $130. $150, $130. A little bright for me with just a regular tote and crossbody, but they're really cute, and I like those totes too. They're getting like a beachy vibe. 120 for those. I do like the green, but in that tone, I probably would go with the black. And see, this is why I tell you, before you go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, which I have nothing against any of them, or Ross, remember Michael Kors Outlet. They're gonna be cheaper, okay? So keep that in mind before you go to any of those other places. I just want to make sure I save you a couple of dollars, okay? Look, they got that one in that pink too, or that red. Is that what I saw at the front? No, I did not see that color at the front. Cute. I don't want to pick it up. That's really cute. Real cute. Now, since I can't reach that one, I want to look inside this one. Now, guys, I'm hands-free. I'm not hands-free right now. As a matter of fact, I'm about to go back hands-free. So let me do that. All right, y'all know I had to go back hands-free because I got to get in the bags. Now, is this adjustable? I think it may be, maybe not. I don't know, but I can barely get that open. I mean, it's open enough, I guess. But you know, when you get the digging in your purse, you know, as a woman, that's not very functional for that to be closed off like that. I mean, give me the option to open it up. However, I still love that bag. It's super cute. Now this one, oh, okay, you know what? I was wondering, did this fold all the way open? But no, I can see it stops right there. Cute. These bags are adorable. This is cute, but I think I like these two colors right here. I am, thank you.
And did we tell you what the promotion is?
No. Hold on, let me. Okay, guys, so yeah, I'm loving these. I love the olive color, like I really do. I didn't see it. No, I did see that in the front. I'm just it's so up high up, so I don't want to pull it down. But these also I did look at in the front as well. Cute colors. This one, now this one right here is very practical. Oh, look. And it has the inside. See, this is what I like, where it can open up and I can get in that bag. Because y'all, the way I lose my keys in my purse is so annoying. I love this camel color. Let's see how it holds up when you hold it. Okay. It's a little foldy here and there, but it's cute. I like that. And then you can drop you know what? I dropped my keys back there. That fixes that issue that I always have, where I lose my keys at the wrong time. And then they have it in this bright red. I like this color. Is that red or pink? It's like a berry. I want to say that's a berry color. Super cute. Super, super cute. Guys, these bags are like $200. And if you, oh, look at this. It's my favorite. I have this in burgundy at home though. But if you buy it over $200, you get 20% off. I think that's how she explained it. I'll put a link so you can go into and you can see the deal too. I like that their wallets are pretty cheap though. Fairly cheap. $59. That's not bad. I like that. But y'all, this is the one. This is the color that I love. And this is the size that I got. I know I showed you the black big one. I don't have that big size. I have this little one. And so you see the difference. Still adorable. I jazzed mine up with a whole bunch of stuff. I'll have to show you. If I can remember to put a picture of it, that would be awesome. But guys, I'm loving what I see. I'm loving what I see. I do want to check this out. I know this is a crossbody. Oh, with a silver chain. Okay. So yeah, almost giving you a bag chain. And then a little decal here too. Cute. I love that. Oh, that is so cute. I was going to style that up a little bit, but it's too high up for me. You know what? I don't want nobody to bust themselves in the face when they pull this down. So let me put it back right. We don't want to hurt nobody. There we go. Right back how we found it. Awesome. Something about this color always throws me. This is the size that I do like. Y'all see this? This is the size that I like of this bag. 60% off of this one. Oh, this one's soft, kind of. And then this is the favorite. This is the one that I would get out of the three. I would get this one. I love this one. It's cute. Yeah. I went to the actual Michael Kors store the other day, and when I say they had some fur boots and a fur bag that I want, I gotta have. I'm gonna show you those. Super cute. For the first, we see the regular totes, and then y'all know I love the bucket bags. Ooh, not in gold. Oh wow. Now that's dope. I think I'm probably gonna get me another couple of these before the year ends. And I'm thinking probably a bucket bag and maybe a luggage set on Michael Kors. Because they have the rollers and they're reasonable. That's what I like about them. I just don't like all this all over it. But see, they have it in this too. So I think I am gonna be, I'm probably gonna get this, and then a bucket. And then we're good for the year. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, I really appreciate you watching. And you guys have a prosperous day. Bye-bye.